I'm following the Ninja recipe and I'm doing the slow cooked lamb. I'm using half a leg of lamb, Welsh lamb. Now it says remove the lamb from the fridge 1 hour before cooking. Done that. Place the lamb skin side up on a board and rub with oil. So I've got my oil. Get it fully covered. Using a sharp knife, make several irregular cuts in the skin. If you want to, insert garlic, salt. I'm just making some irregular cuts, as it said, to put my garlic in. I am now going to move over to the oven with my lamb. Line the preheat tray with aluminium foil. Layer onions on the tray. Okay, I've got some onions. My only cooking brush is now in the oil, so I'm going to pour slightly, very carefully. Oh, very carefully. I do like balsamic vinegar, it's no problem if I've overdone it. Right, I've got to place the lamb on top of them. On top of the onions. I'm using some vegetable stock and pouring it into the tray. I've never done this before. I've never poured stock into a tray like this while I cook lamb, but I'm giving it a go. It stays there for a minute because I have got to turn the oven on. So now I need to get this oven going. So I've installed the accessory frame in the bottom level of the unit. I'm going to turn the left-hand dial to select Gourmet Roast. Right, done that. And set stage 1 temperature to 300 degrees. How do I do that? Temp. 300. And set the time to 10 minutes. Time. And then push the right hand dial to set stage 2 and set the stage 2 temperature to 150. Set time to 3 hours, stage 2. Okay, press start, stop to begin preheating oven. Preheating oven will take 6 to 11 minutes. Right, so it's now heated up. I'm going to get my lamb in there and shut the door. Press start. So we're on a 10-minute 300 degrees Celsius stage. In 10 minutes it's going to go to a 3 hour at a lower temperature. Let's let it cook. So I'll be back soon. So we're coming up to 5 minutes on the stage 1 and I'm not going to open it, but the smell, I just wanted to say the smell coming from in there is amazing. I think just adding a bit of wood fire, it can go to 300 degrees Celsius for that initial stage 1 cook, and then you can also add wood fire pellets to it, which you can't do in your normal electric oven home kitchen. My kitchen at home only goes up to 225 degrees Celsius. We have got a few minutes left. So we're coming up to the 2-minute stage 1 time. I won't be needing to do anything when it moves to stage 2. I don't touch the lamb, I don't open the oven. This oven will automatically move the temperature at the end of the countdown on stage 1 to the stage 2 temperature. So I'll keep that going for 1.5 hours, vegetables, then continue the cook. There it goes, 150 for 3 hours, but at 1.5 hours I am going to add some potatoes that have been mostly pre-cooked and carrots, so they just get a nice extra flavour cook to them. I've realised that my actual joint was 1 kilogram and not 1.7 kilograms, so I don't need to cook it for 3 hours. I can bring it down. I'm going to bring it down by about 40 minutes. I'm at 146 now, which means I'm nearly halfway through my 3 hour cook. So because I'm reducing the time, I'm going to add my vegetables now. The recipe asks that I remove all the juices from in here and then add my vegetables. So I'm going to remove everything, put the lamb back in and add the vegetables. So I'm going to do that now. glove with my spoon. And I wonder if I can change the time when my fingers are all sticky. Oh, I can. I'm going to give it 30 minutes. Yeah, that'd be right. Done. I hope you can hear me over the lawnmowers, but I'm just going to wrap this up in foil, take everything out, wrap it all in foil, let it rest, and then we'll come back in half an hour, 40 minutes once it's all rested. Let's do that. We are wrapping this up in foil for about half an hour to 40 minutes just to let it settle, and we'll come back later. We are now going to take off the foil. I have covered them with Ooni gloves because I thought, well, if they're good at heat retention, they'll be good at retaining the heat of the lamb. So that's what I used to cover my lamb. I hope that was a good choice. Made sense. Okay, here we go. Okay, this isn't a huge piece of lamb. This was 1 kilogram of lamb. Oh, still nice and steamy. Oh, look at that. Like Sunday dinner. Welsh lamb Sunday dinner. Look at the way they cooked. Really nice. So tender. It's not cheap lamb. It's quite, expensive really, but worth it. Can I taste the garlic as well? That's the question. Has it picked up wood flavours and that? Taste the skin. Very slightly. Much like the lamb chops I've made. So you have got a slight pickup of the woodfire, but not enough to take over the taste of the lamb. Welsh lamb is really strong flavoured. It's beautiful tasting. And the way that the ninjas cooked it has made it melt in your mouth. Really lovely. The slow cook has really made a difference. Really, really made a difference. The way it cuts through that. So tender. But I'm going to plate this up now and enjoy our Sunday meal with Welsh lamb and Welsh Pembrokeshire potatoes and carrots, UK Norfolk carrots, and enjoy. So thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.